Here is something you don't know about me. I always live next to a hospital. And you'll never know why. I don't have a heart condition. I don't have cancer. I have something else. A fear of traffic. Yes, traffic. It is shocking that nobody is talking about it. We talk about freedom of speech, we talk about freedom of guns and defense, and nobody talks about freedom of movement. On average, we lose 54 hours every year stuck in a car. That's 3,000 hours in a lifetime doing nothing. Traffic is boring. And in some cases, traffic is deadly. How many people died because the ambulance couldn't get to a hospital in time because of traffic? This is why I am paranoid and I need to live next to a hospital. If I get a heart attack, I need to see a doctor in 10 minutes or less without getting stuck in traffic. Not everybody is paranoid like me, but everybody should try to fix traffic today. So let's talk about solutions. The best solution I saw exists in the country of Singapore. I lived there for 2 years and never got stuck in traffic. Turns out their solution is very simple. Do not put too many cars on the road. It's as simple as that. In Singapore, there is exactly 967,000 cars in the entire country in 2019. This is the total limit, which means if you want to get a new car in Singapore, you can't. You have to get one car off the road before you can get a new car on the road. At the end of the day, it is the cars that cause traffic.
Now, if everyone can own a car on our tiny island, we would all be stuck in traffic and nobody could get to anywhere.
This system is unique and crazy, but it's not perfect. Because of it, cars in Singapore are very expensive. It can cost up to $100,000 to buy a Toyota in Singapore. It's the most expensive in the world.
Cars are so expensive in Singapore that for the price of a tax on a simple Toyota here, you could buy a brand new Mercedes in the United States.
That's why only 11% of Singapore has a car compared to the 80% in the US. But at the same time, Singapore invested billions of dollars in public transportation. There is a bus every minute. There is a train every minute, and you can get a taxi in a minute. So you can still have a social life without ever needing a car. Because of this, there is rarely any traffic in Singapore. You can get to a hospital in less than 10 minutes. You can leave work at 5 p.m. without losing 2 hours of your life. You can enjoy Saturday night too. Not every country can do this, but at least every country should try to do something about traffic. We should have fewer cars in the world, not more. And we should give everybody the freedom that they deserve. The freedom to move.